Good evening, students. Now, continuing with the last lecture, we shall continue with the problems based on matrices. Now, in the last class, I had told you to find AB as well as BA for each of the given matrices. Now, you can just have a look here. I have solved this AB. Now, I have multiplied first the matrix A with the matrix B. Now, when you multiply the matrix A with the matrix B, you get this result. You can have a look at this, and the matrix AB that is we have found is minus 6, 26, minus 1, 19. Now, they have also asked in example exercise 3.2, example 1, sub question 5, to find the matrix BA. Now, when you are finding the matrix BA, remember that first you have to take the matrix B and then the matrix A. So here the matrices are interchanged. So here we have found 1 into 2 plus 3 into 3, that is 2 plus 9. So similarly it will be 4 plus 6 minus 4 plus 15 and minus 8, and the result that we get is the matrix BA, and the BA matrix is 11, 10, 11, 2. And here we note that the matrix AB result, if you look at the matrix AB and the matrix BA, they are not equal. So sometimes it happens that the matrix AB will not be equal to matrix BA. Now we proceed further with example number 2, and out of 4 I have solved here only one. Similarly you can solve the other 3 examples. Now here if you look here, it is a square plus b square, b square plus c square, a square plus c square, a square plus b square are the elements of the first matrix, plus you have to add it with the matrix 2ab, 2bc minus 2ac minus 2ab. Now how we are going to add? You are going to add it by the corresponding elements. So here we have seen how to add it, and we have added this. And if you can look here, you can see that a square plus b square plus 2ab is nothing but it is the expansion of a plus b the bracket square. Similarly b square plus c square plus 2bc is nothing but it is the expansion of b plus c the bracket square. Similarly you will be getting a minus c the bracket square as well as a minus b the bracket square. You can have this as an example. Similarly here you can just see the other examples here. So similarly you can solve it. Now here they have given in example 4 cos square, sin square, cos square plus sin square, cos square, sin square. Just you have to add it, and remember the result for cos square theta x plus sin square x is 1. Now we proceed with the third example, and there I have taken the second one, which consists of one column matrix multiplied with the row matrix. Now the column matrix order is 3 cross 1 and the row matrix order is 1 cross 3. So these two matrices can be multiplied. And how is this multiplication? Remember, it is first row first column will be A11, then first row second column will be A12, then first row third column will be A13. Similarly, when we solve it, we get a 3 cross 3 matrix. So when you multiply the column matrix with the row matrix, you are going to get a 3 cross 3 matrix. Remember this, right? Now you can just have a look at this, and you can also practice it, right? Now the next one that we are going to proceed is similarly if you look at third example of exercise 3.2, right, there are some other 5 problems. You can go for multiplication. You can try it yourself, and if you don't get it, you can just message me so I can solve this, right? And answers for that you can just have a look at the behind the book. Now the next one is the sixth one that we are going to solve. Now the sixth one is cos theta into bracket cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. If you can have a look at this. then you are going to add it, right? Your first what you are going to do here is you are going to multiply each term of cos theta with each element of the first matrix. So that will give you cos square theta into sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta cos square theta plus similarly here. So it will be sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta cos theta then sin square theta. Then when you solve it you will be getting, now you are going to add it. So adding will give you what? Cos square theta plus sin square theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta, then minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. You know that the result cos square theta plus sin square theta or sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is a standard identity in trigonometry and that result is 1, and these two terms get cancelled, so the result will be 0. So here you will be getting the matrix 1 0 0 1, and so it is a scalar matrix, or you can also call it as a unit matrix of order 2. Now similarly, now we shall go for the next example here, and the next example is the seventh one. The seventh one is find x and y if x plus y is equals to 7025 and x minus y is equals to 3003. So here I am going to solve it. You can just have a look at this, right? So x plus y is given to be the matrix 7025, and the next equation is you have to convert it as an equations. X minus y is, so that will give you 3003. Now here what you are going to do is solve it as a simultaneous equations. You need to solve it as simultaneous equations. So here plus y minus y gets cancelled, x plus x is 2x, x and y are matrices, remember, will be equal to, here we have not changed the sign, so here you have to add it. So 7 plus 3 is 10, 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now here you have got 2x, so x will be equal to, so that will be x will be equal to x is equal to, right, x is equal to, now this will be divide each term by 2, so it is 5004. So that will be, when we divide it, 50004. So you have got x value. Now take the first equation, that is x plus y, is equal to, what is the question there? X plus y is equals to 7025. So substitute whatever you have got it for x. So x that you have got is 5004, right, plus y is equals to, as you have solved the linear equations, similarly you are going to solve it. So y is equal, sorry, the video, right, now, so this will be giving you y is equals to, right, so y is equals to 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 0 minus 0, then 2 minus 0 is 2, minus 0 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is the matrix y that you have got, and this is the matrix x that you have got. So similarly you can solve the other examples, that is 2x plus 3y is equals to, here what you have to do is you have to make those terms equal as you have solved for x and y. Similarly you are going to solve those type of examples. So in the next class we shall continue with these examples. Thank you.